The Indian Army, in collaboration with the Center for Land Warfare Studies, CLAWS, is set to conduct the second edition of its flagship event, Chanakya Defence Dialogue 2024, on the theme, Drivers in Nation Building, Fueling Growth Through Comprehensive Security. The much-awaited event will be conducted on 24th and the 25th of October 2024 at Manekshaw Center, New Delhi. At the curtain raiser event held today at New Delhi, General Upendra Dwivedi, Chief of the Army Staff, reflected on Indian Army's vision of a resilient, secure and prosperous Bharat at 2047, sharing his views on various issues related to national and global security, as also contribution of the Indian Army in nation building. The COAs shared his thoughts on the theme, Pillars of Security, Powering India's Path to Viksit Bharat by 2047, in a fireside chat. The chat provided an engaging platform to discuss the role of Indian Armed Forces as net security provider in India's development trajectory. The COAs underscored Indian Army in the importance of robust security frameworks ranging from defense readiness to internal stability for fostering an environment conducive to economic growth and innovation. The conversation highlighted the need for a multifaceted approach, emphasizing collaboration between government, industry, and civil society to address emerging challenges. By framing security as a foundational pillar of national development, the discussion underscored the vision of a prosperous and secure India by 2047, encouraging proactive strategies that align security with the broader goals of societal advancement and sustainable growth. The fireside chat was followed by a panel discussion chaired by Lieutenant General N.S. Raja Subramani, the Vice Chief of the Army Staff. The discussion was titled, Secure Nation and Prosperous Future, Bridging National Security with Growth and Development. This session explored strategies to create a secure environment that fosters innovation and fuels development. By framing security as a fundamental pillar in India's journey toward a developed nation by 2047, the dialogue underscored the critical importance of aligning defense initiatives with national prosperity and social progress. The discussion featured Shri O.K. Taing, MLA Arunachal Pradesh, Mr. S.S. Sarma, Director, Operations, CERT-IN, Lieutenant General P.R. Shankar, retired, a renowned strategist, and Lieutenant General Dr. Madhuri Kanitkar, retired. A shining example of women empowerment in the Indian Armed Forces. The participants during the discussion expressed their views on a wide range of subjects including border area development, youth, sports and women empowerment towards nation building. The curtain raiser event demonstrated a glimpse of the main event and highlighted the multifaceted dimensions of security, its impact on national growth and role played by the Indian Army in achieving India's vision of Viksit Bharat. The second Chanakya Defence Dialogue will facilitate in-depth discussions, foster strategic partnerships and contribute to the formulation of actionable insights for enhancing national security and development. It will provide a platform for national and international leaders, policymakers and subject matter experts to share their expertise and contribute to the discourse on security through development.